Dear number crunchers, what on earth is an equivalent fraction? Help! From Ezra, North Wales. Let's take a bar and put it into 2 equal pieces. Each one is a half, and let's colour in 1. Let's take the same bar, but now we're going to split it into 4 equal pieces. And each of those pieces is a quarter. And as you can see, 1/2 is the same as 2 quarters. Or we could say 1/2 equals 2 quarters. And that means that those fractions are equivalent. Let's take another bar and split it into 4 equal pieces. Each one is a quarter. And now let's colour in 3 quarters. Let's draw another bar of the same size and split each part into 2. These will each be eighths. And as you can see, 3 quarters is equal to 6 eighths. And actually is also the same as 9 twelfths. And 3 quarters is also the same as 12 sixteenths. Here we have a bar split into 10 equal pieces. And let's colour in 5 of those, that's 5 tenths. And let's compare it with the same size bar. Actually, we could split that into 2 equal pieces. And each of those is 1/2. So that tells us that 5 tenths is equal to 1/2. Here we have a bar split into 16 equal pieces. And I'm going to colour in 12 sixteenths. Now we can actually put those into groups of 4. And we can see from comparing it with another bar of the same size that 12 sixteenths is equal to 3 quarters. Here, the fractions in each box are equivalent. And you can see that if you multiply or divide the numerator and denominator by the same number, you will get an equivalent fraction. Finally, you have a fraction in its simplest form when the numerator and denominator are the smallest whole numbers they can be. All the fractions with the boxes are those in their simplest form. Hope that helps. Good luck.